Hello again, my name is Cedric or Stupid U, and I am the creator of FreeGameFindings. Back in June, the FGF giveaway of some pretty cool stuff from Chilkey officially began. For the giveaway, I was sent a review sample of the exact same keyboard and mouse that were going to be included in the promo, but I wasn't sent the key switches, the WS Flux key switches that I was supposed to be. It wasn't like a big deal or anything, but it was a thing I did not get to end up trying out, which was meant to be included in the video. The promotion commenced pretty smoothly overall, and once it got time for the winners to get their prizes, we ended up getting into a little bit of a snafu. One of the winners wound up not getting sent their WS Flux switches either. That obviously had to get resolved, so it was. Since we were already at it, Chilkey then were also finally able to send over my WS Flux switches too. They even went so far as to include both the white, the Clacky, and the pink, the deep Clacky, versions of them, 90 of each, which was pretty cool. For the sake of the video, I popped them quickly onto the Slice 75 that I daily drive now, and you can quickly hear how they sound compared to each other, and also, I guess, to the Jade Pro switches that were already included. The build quality is pretty good, and they feel quite nice. After quickly listening to them and thinking about how long it would take, I don't believe I want to go ahead and swap them in for the Jade Pro switches that I, already have on the board, but it was good to try them out quick, and I will have to figure out some sort of project to use them on. The visual of the pink, deep Clacky, one is pretty nice. I like pink, cool look. It's a little different, so that's nice. But the white one, Clacky, is also quite nice too. They both sport the octagon shape, which I believe is for the sake of stability. Pretty standard, I think, in a lot of switches, but something to mention. Oh, and they are both linear, by the way. They feel pretty similar. I would give the edge ever so slightly to the white, the Clacky key switch, as I do think it sounds a little bit better. But anyway, that will about do it. Not a whole lot else I can say or do for this video, considering, this isn't directly associated with a new promo, so maybe if there's a new one in the future, I'll have to pop these on there. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this quick showcase and bit of a review, I guess, of the WS Flux white and pink Clacky and deep Clacky key switches. Huge thanks to Chilkey for sending them over, even though they didn't need to after all this time. Very nice of them. Thank you and enjoy.